If you're getting started with building and managing websites, having a good control panel is key. Ang control panel tulad ng Plesk ay nagpapadali ng mga important tasks tulad ng pag-manage ng websites, apps, at servers all in one place. Sa review nito, pag-uusapan natin ang features, benefits, and things to consider so you can decide if it's the right tool for you. So unang-una, ano ba ang Plesk? Ang Plesk ay isang web hosting control panel that helps you manage websites, domains, and databases all in one simple dashboard. It's built to save time and make managing websites super simple and easy whether you are new to this or have some experience. Ang Plesk ay compatible sa maraming operating systems, kabilang ang iba't ibang Linux options and Windows servers, kaya bagay ito sa iba't iba pang hosting setups. Bakit ang importante ng control panel? A control panel like Plesk simplifies web management by giving you a clear and organized way to handle tasks. Instead of using complicated commands or jumping between tools, everything is in one place. It saves time, reduces errors, and makes website management way less stressful, lalo na kung may hawak kang maraming sites o nagmamanage ng iba't ibang features tulad ng email and security. Tignan natin ang mga key features ng Plesk. User-friendly interface. Ang dashboard ng Plesk ay ginawa ng simple at efficient na nagbibigay ng intuitive na experience para sa mga baguhan at advanced users. The interface organizes tasks like managing files, setting up domains, creating email accounts, and configuring DNS settings into straightforward categories. This reduces the complexity often associated with web hosting management and allows you to quickly find and execute the tasks you need. WordPress Toolkit. For WordPress users, Plesk offers an all-in-one WordPress toolkit na nagsisimplify ng management of WordPress websites. Kasama sa toolkit na ito ang mga features para sa one-click installation, automatic updates, at site cloning para sa staging at testing. Nagbibigay din ito ng mga tools para mag-scan ng vulnerabilities at palakasin ang seguridad ng iyong site. Kung may hawak kang maraming WordPress sites, pinapadali ng Plesk ang bulk updates that saves you time and effort. Security enhancements. Plesk prioritizes website security with a range of built-in protections. It includes a web application firewall to block common threats, malware scanning to detect vulnerabilities, and spam filters to keep your email safe. Dagdag pa dito, ang SSL certificate management is fully automated, kaya maaari mong isecure ang mga site mo ng ilang click lang. For users managing sensitive data, these features provide peace of mind and compliance with modern security standards. Extensive ecosystem. Plesk boasts an expansive marketplace for extensions that allows you to add new functionalities to your hosting environment. Kasama sa mga popular na extensions sa mga tools para sa SEO optimization, backup solutions, at mga developer-focused integrations tulad ng Docker at Git. These extensions make Plesk highly customizable, so pwede mo tong i-tailor to your specific needs kung you're running an e-commerce site man, a blog, or a portfolio. Multi-server management. Para sa mga negosyo o agencies na nagmamanage ng maraming websites o applications, ang multi-server management feature ng Plesk ay isang game changer. You can control and monitor multiple servers from a single dashboard, streamlining tasks like updates, backups, and performance monitoring. Ang centralized na approach na ito ay nakakapag-save ng time at tinitiyak ang consistency sa lahat ng iyong mga project. Compatibility across platforms. Sinusuportahan ng Plesk ang iba't ibang operating systems, ensuring cross-platform compatibility that fits into almost any hosting setup. Additionally, ang Plesk ay seamless at nag-integrate sa mga major cloud providers tulad ng AWS, Google Cloud, at iba pang platform, making it a very versatile choice for cloud-based hosting. Automated backups. With Plesk, you never have to worry about losing your data. The platform includes robust backup management tools that allow you to schedule automatic backups of your website, database, and emails. Maaari kang pumili mula sa daily, weekly, o custom schedule na maaari mo pang i-store sa iyong backups sa off-site locations para magdagdag ng security. Developer-friendly tools. Ang Plesk ay ginawa para suportahan ng mga developers gamit ang mga advanced na tools tulad ng Git integration, Docker support, and command line management. These features enable developers to deploy applications faster, manage code repositories, and run containerized environments directly from Plesk dashboard. For teams working on complex projects, these tools streamline collaboration and development workflows. Built-in email hosting. Madali ang pag-manage ng email accounts gamit ang integrated email hosting ng Plesk. You can create and manage email accounts for your domain, set up autoresponders, and configure spam filters. Sinusuportahan din ng Plesk ang mga protocols tulad ng POP3, IMAP, at SMTP na tinitiyak ang compatibility sa karamihan ng mga email clients. Resource monitoring and analytics. Nagbibigay ang Plesk ng detalyadong insights tungkol sa performance ng iyong server. Gamit ang mga resource monitoring tools nito, maaari mong subaybayan ng CPU, RAM, at disk usage in real time. That ensures that you're always aware of your server's health. These analytics help help you identify and resolve issues before they become critical, which ensures uninterrupted performance for all your websites. Easy website migration. Kung lilipat ka mula sa ibang hosting platform, Plesk makes migration easy. With its migration tools, you can transfer websites, databases, and email accounts seamlessly from other control panels like cPanel. This process is automated and minimizes downtime, making the transition smooth and hassle-free. Tignan natin ang ilang mga pros at cons. Magsimula tayo sa pros. Comprehensive feature set. Nag-offer ang Plesk ng wide range of tools that cater to various web management needs, from basic website setup to advanced development tasks. Cross-platform compatibility. Ang support nito para sa iba't ibang operating systems makes it a versatile choice for different hosting environments. Scalability. Its various additions and extensions allow it to scale your growing needs, whether you're managing a personal blog or a large number of client websites. Ngayon, tignan natin ang ilang cons. Complexity. Para sa mga baguhan, ang extensive range of features can be overwhelming, potentially leading to a steeper learning curve. Cost considerations. As a commercial product, Plesk requires a license, and the associated fees might be consideration for individuals or small businesses with limited budget. Tignan natin ang iba't ibang pricing option plans. Kung gusto mo makuha ang pinakamagandang price, siguraduhin gamitin ang aming exclusive link sa description. Kapag naklik na ang link na yon, dadalhin ka sa page na to. Dito makikita mong meron silang iba't ibang options. Una, meron silang dedicated VPS plans na may monthly at yearly options. Kung magbabayad ka ng yearly, you will save a bit of money. Simula sa dedicated web admin edition, nagsisimula ito sa $45.49 per month, at ito ay ginawa para sa website at server administration. You get 10 domains, a site builder, WP Toolkit SE, and the same features apply for the Web Admin Edition VPS at $15.49 per month. Sunod ay ang Web Pro Edition dedicated at $26.99 a month at nag-aalok ng kompletong solusyon para sa mga web developers at designers. Makakakuha ka ng 30 domains, site jet builder, WP Toolkit, subscription management, and account management. Ang VPS version ay $26.99 a month at makukuha mo rin ang parehong mga features dito. Sunod ay yung Web Host Edition dedicated na $66.99 per month. Ang plan na to ay ginawa para magtayo at magpalago ng iyong hosting business gamit ang Plesk. You get unlimited domains, site jet builder, WP Toolkit, subscription management, account management, and reseller management. Sa VPS option, ito ay $49.99 per month at makakakuha ka ng lahat ng features na kasama sa dedicated plan. At panghuli, meron silang partner plans na mga business plans. This is the ultimate solution para sa pag-scale ng iyong negosyo. You get all Plesk additions and extensions, site jet builder, partner discounts up to 45%, priority 24/7 support, and dedicated account manager. They also offer a free trial. Para mag-sign up, i-click ang link, i-click lang ang free trial, ilagay ang iyong email address, piliin ang iyong country, at i-click ang I am human para makakuha ng trial. After that, follow the instructions in the email to get everything set up and ready to go. Is Plesk the right fit for you? Kung naghahanap ka ng tool to simplify managing websites, emails, and servers all in one place, then this is for you. Maganda ito for anyone, from individual site owners to businesses running multiple websites, thanks to its flexibility and features. However, if you're completely new to web hosting or working with a tight budget, you may want to weigh the cost and take some time to explore its features before committing. That being said, importante to keep in mind the learning curve for beginners and cost of licensing. But if you're ready to invest in a reliable, feature-packed solution to streamline your web tasks, Plesk is definitely worth considering. Kung gusto mo makuha ang best price possible, siguraduhin i-click ang aming exclusive link sa description to get started. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Ang channel na ito ay dedicated to helping you succeed in building and managing your online presence. Thank you sa panonood at magkikita-kita tayo sa susunod na video.